Welcome to Vietnam, a country of timeless charm and beauty. Mysterious and complex, Ha Long Bay is one of Vietnam's most famous World Heritage Sites. You sail gently through a unique environment of outstanding beauty, amongst thousands of rock islands of many shapes and sizes. Ha Long Bay in beautiful Quang Ninh province has been voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and it is one of the most beautiful bays on earth. Vietnam is rich in natural beauty. White sandy beaches and clear blue waters abound. Nha Trang Bay is recognized as one of the most beautiful. And the resort city of Da Nang has one of the world's top 6 most attractive beaches. Island paradises include Phu Quoc, Lý Sơn Island, with thousands of miles of coastline. Vietnam has beautiful beaches with recreational opportunities for everyone. You can swim in crystal waters and enjoy water sports including surfing, canoeing, snorkeling and diving. Vietnam's wonderful and diverse nature shines in visits to this fascinating country. You will not find a more charming welcome anywhere. Phong Nha in Ca Bang National Park is considered an underground kingdom within itself. The vast Shan Dong Cave is the largest cave to visit in the world, and probably the most beautiful. In addition to the wonders of nature, we have incredibly diverse cultures, from the ancient Champa civilization of My Son to the rich cultures of Hue and Hoi An, as well as colourful traditional and contemporary festivals. All these offer unique experiences to the visitor and form just part of Vietnam's timeless charm. So rich is the culture that there are already 8 World Heritage Sites for visitors to explore, as well as living cultural heritage and rich tradition of writers and literature. Vietnam is truly a cradle of art and heritage in Southeast Asia. As many as 54 different ethnic groups live in this peaceful land. All of these cultures combine to give the Vietnamese people their beauty and timeless charm. Everyone must taste Vietnamese food in all its regional variations. Its delicacies are always a highlight, enticing visitors to return again and again, and making Vietnam a #1 choice in Asia. From gourmet to street food, there is a wide variety of flavors, aromas and tastes. All are incredibly subtle and sophisticated, and hugely appealing, making Vietnam everyone's culinary paradise. For the holidaymaker in this charming land, there is accommodation everywhere. From luxury resorts to experiencing life with a Vietnamese family in traditional homestays. Vietnam can provide world-class quality, but always with that special touch that is uniquely Vietnamese. Vietnam is known as a country of kindness, friendliness and hospitality. Coming to Vietnam, no matter where you are from, you will always be welcomed with warmth and charm. Vietnam promises visitors great memories. Emotional experiences will be found in Vietnam's culture, its natural wonders, its rich culinary culture, in its vibrant and modern cities, and especially in its welcoming people. In this young and vibrant country, you will find a timeless charm. Vietnam, timeless charm.